Welcome students to another lecture of our chapter integers. This page, the note in front of you, what you are observing, it's very important. Believe me, it's so important that it's not related only with this chapter integers, but it's related to entire maths of your 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade and 10th grade. And if you see this heading, note for word problems are the things what we feel that they are the most difficult objects on this universe, but actually they are very simple. You just need to know the conversion of language from English to maths. So that's the reason I have given you a small note which is very important. You all will not rote learn. Actually, if you know a little amount of English, you can actually, if you are just aware about the meaning of the words, you can easily write or place the actual mathematical terminology at the place of those English words. Okay, so note for the word problems. I repeat again, this is not concise or related to only with the given chapter, but it will help you throughout your life. Very important. Afterwards you will copy. First understand please. Word and mathematical terminology. Whenever you encounter with the word add, it means plus. So see, I'll explain this both the points together. Add means plus, subtract means minus, increases plus, decreases minus. Whenever in the word problem you see the word increases, तो increase की जगह पे क्या लिखने का plus. At the place of decrease you will write minus. If you encounter or read anytime in the word problem the word up, it means plus. So below means minus, more means plus, so less means minus. Or ascends means going up, climbing somewhere above. Ascends means plus, so descends means minus. Sum means plus, so difference means minus. More than means plus, less than means minus. Hence हिंदी में बाद में और कंक्लूजन प्लस. ठीक है. अगो मीन्स पहले, सो माइनस. आफ्टर प्लस, बिफोर माइनस. एंड आई हैव लेफ्ट, I'll say you should also leave some space here. More and more sums we'll do, we can make or we can add our words over here. This is not the complete dictionary. Okay, so you all should remember these words. Not rote learn. There's nothing to rote learn, nothing to memorize. You should know these are the basic common words what we use in our day-to-day life. Multiply, product, times means multiply. Divided, quotient or ratio comes in the word means divide. Becomes comes, or equal to comes, or is comes. This is important. So you just have to write an equal to sign. These are the words and these are the mathematical terminology. If you remember, then you can easily convert a word problem of 2-3 statements into an just equation. Okay, so please pause the video, everyone. Please draw this table. Memorize these words. Memorize in the sense what? You just have to know this, that add comes, increase comes, up comes, more comes, like that. Okay, I'm not telling you to memorize these words. You should memorize the fact that when add comes, you have to write plus. More than comes, then you have to write plus, like that. Okay, just don't mug up and write. This is not a answers of any social studies answer that you have to memorize all the words. When such type of words comes or its synonyms comes, then it means plus. Pause the video please, all of you, and do draw this table. Then let's proceed with the word problems. Students, now a question in front of you. So after writing the notes, after writing the very important note about what to write, what mathematical terminology to write when the English statements are there, let's start with our word problems, all of you. Okay, let's start. Understand each and every word please. From the sum. Sum means addition, sum means plus. In Hindi, if I say kiska sum, from the sum of this number and this number. So this is my first number and this is my second number. From the sum of this two, from the sum of this first number and this number. Sum means plus. So from the sum, from the addition of these two numbers, that means we have to add these two numbers. Okay, from the sum of these two numbers means the answer what we obtain after adding these two numbers. Subtract means what? Subtract means minus. Okay, so first step will be, we need to find sum. We need to find sum of the two numbers. Okay. Second step, subtract. From this sum, subtract. What to subtract? The sum. The another sum is given. Sum of these two numbers. Okay. So total there are two sums. Sum, SUM, sum means addition. So first sum means addition of two numbers, and second sum. In first sum, I need to add this minus 156 and 67. In second summation, I need to add minus 109 and 109. So the idea is, from the answer obtained of the summation of these two values, summation means after adding this minus 156 and 67, we need to subtract, we need to apply minus sign. What we have to subtract, what number we have to subtract? The answer of addition, the answer of summation of these two numbers. Okay, so what I will be doing is, first step one I'll find the summation of these two numbers. Let's do it very quickly. Okay, so first step of my solution, okay, from the sum of these two numbers. So first I'll find sum means addition, sum of, sorry, I wrote two times, minus 156 and 67, okay, is equal to, sum means plus, right? Sum means plus. So minus 156 plus 67. What will be the answer? Plus minus is minus. Sign of greater number is minus, so minus will remain. Basically, in the rough work, what I will do 156 minus 67. Okay, from 15 I can say 14 is remaining, here it comes 1, so becomes 16. 16 minus 7 becomes 9. 14 minus 6 becomes 8. It becomes 89, so minus 89. Okay, this is the answer or summation of these two numbers. Okay, from the sum of these two numbers, from the sum of this minus 156 and 67, the answer what we obtained over here is what? Minus 89, right? I need to subtract. In हिंदी ये minus 89 में से कुछ minus करना है, कुछ subtract करना है, ठीक है? क्या subtract करना है? Ask yourself. The sum of these two numbers. So now first I will find the sum of these two numbers. This will be my step 2. Step 2. I will find the sum of these two numbers. Okay, see here please all of you. Step number 2, I will find sum of minus 109 and 109. It's so simple. It's minus 109 plus 109. So answer is 0. Okay, so I got the answer as 0. It got cancelled. Once again, let's read the sum. From the sum of these two numbers, whose answer came as minus 89, subtract. The word subtract is there, means apply minus sign. And what to subtract? क्या subtract करना है? The summation of these two numbers. But the answer of summation of these two numbers came to be 0. That means from this minus 89, I need to subtract this 0. That's it. So all of you, the step number 3, as per given condition, as per this lines, what I am making, you don't need to do it. You just have to leave one line. Okay, as per given condition. Of course, you have to write step numbers. As per given conditions, from minus 89, I am subtracting. Subtract means minus the summation of these two values, which is 0. And any number, from any number, if I subtract 0, the answer will be the same number. So answer is minus 89, please, all of you. That's it. It was very simple, some all of you. These things, if you want, you can write it. This is just for your explanation. And of course, in exam, you don't need to write this. Okay, all of you. So it's a textbook question, please. No need to copy the question also. You just put a proper question number, all of you. Pause the video, please, all of you, and then solve it by your own. Pause the video. Okay, next question, students. Please pay attention. An important question. I'll mark a star over here, please. Okay. In Leh, the temperature, it's the name of the place, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius in afternoon. Okay, it's pretty simple. No need to explain. At this place, Leh, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius in afternoon. Okay, fine. Full stop it is. Okay, understood. Then, if the temperature dropped by 9 degrees Celsius, dropped को if I convert into Hindi, नीचे गिरा temperature, और कम हुआ temperature in Hindi I will say. Okay, temperature went down, so dropped means it signifies minus. Okay, dropped by 9 degrees Celsius. If the temperature dropped by 9 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature now? So simple it is. In the afternoon, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then after some time, temperature went more down. It dropped. Kam hua. This come down means minus. This is minus is important. By 9 degrees Celsius. So let's do it, all of you. I think so you don't require my help also now. So let's do it. The temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius in afternoon. So I'll say temperature in afternoon. Temperature in afternoon is how much? Minus 5 degree Celsius. Okay. Then I write as per given condition. As per given condition. As per given condition. What's the condition? If the temperature dropped by 9 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature now? As per given condition, current temperature will be what? Current temperature will be what? See here, in the afternoon it was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then it dropped means minus sign. So minus one more 9 degrees Celsius. Okay. No need to write this degree Celsius. Just because I'm explaining you, that's why I have written. If you just write minus 5, minus 9, it's absolutely fine. No need to write. Okay. So minus becomes plus, but sign of bigger number remains. So minus 5 plus 9 becomes 14, because minus becomes plus. So minus 14 degrees Celsius. Of course, here in the final answer, if you don't write this degree Celsius, your 1 mark will be deducted. That's it. Always have this habit. It's compulsory that whenever you have a word problem, writing of answer in the statement form in the last is compulsory. So what is the temperature now? Therefore temperature now, or you write current temperature is minus 14 degree Celsius. It was very, very simple sum. Only catch was to understand the dropped word means minus sign. Pause the video please and do it fast. Now students, the next two sums including this is very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Why important? Because normally students feel that they are very complex questions and they get scared of it. Frankly speaking, they are the simplest problems, not very complex. When I say important, does not mean they are tough questions. They are very simple questions. Important why? Because students feel that they are difficult questions, and such type of questions do come in examinations also. Okay, so let's start, all of you. At sunrise, the outside temperature was 3 degrees Celsius below zero, and here it's a full stop. Once again I am reading it. At sunrise, the outside temperature was 3 degrees Celsius below zero. So हिंदी में zero के नीचे, and we all know this fact. We all know that this fact. If I go above zero, then all positive numbers comes. If I go below zero, means other sides of zero, so all negative numbers comes. So zero के नीचे all are negative numbers. So just to confuse you, they have given to you that below zero, which means minus, negative. So in other words, they are trying to say that at sunrise the outside temperature is minus 3 degrees centigrades or minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay? So majority of students, they make this mistake and say, अरे sir, outside temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. अरे but it's written below zero. मतलब zero के नीचे negative numbers होते हैं. मतलब it's minus 3 degrees Celsius. Very first important catch. By lunchtime, the temperature rose to 21 degrees Celsius. Rose mean in Hindi बढ़ गया. So rose means plus. I gave this point in the note also. Rose means it increases. Okay, by 21 degrees Celsius. Okay, so earlier it was, I'll say minus 3 degrees Celsius because the word below was there. Then by the lunchtime, it rose means increases by 21 degrees Celsius. So it will be plus 21 degrees Celsius. Okay. And one important another point that students always, they just read half of sentence and they just jump on the question. First read the entire word problem and then we'll start. Okay. And then fell means once again comes down. Fell means to come down. To come down means minus. Fell means minus by 11 degrees Celsius. So it will be minus 11 degrees Celsius by night. What's the temperature at the end of the day? See, there are three different things over here. Three situations given. First, sunrise. At sunrise, it was below 0 degrees Celsius by the value of 3. That means minus 3. Then at the time of lunch, in afternoon, what happened? the temperature rose means plus by 21 degrees Celsius. So now then I will do my plus 21 degrees Celsius. Then once again at night, at the time of evening at night, okay, one more thing is given here, and then fell by 11 degrees Celsius by night. Yeah, it's night only. Okay, by then it fell by 11 degrees Celsius by night. So fell means minus, and it's 11 degrees Celsius by night. What is the temperature at the end of the day? So it's very simple. See, before starting the question, you should know the fact that the initial temperature is given as -3 at the time of sunrise. Then at the time of lunch, it became increases by 21, rose by 21, so it will be plus 21. At the time of night, it fell means minus, नीचे गिरा temperature by 11 degrees Celsius, so it's minus 11 degrees Celsius. The answer will be the final answer. But if you do like this is your rough work. You will not get marks for this. If you do like this in your question, you will get 0 marks. Statements are compulsory, but you should know in your submind this calculation should be there. Okay, let's start, all of you. Temperature at sunrise is how much? -3 degrees Celsius. Minus because the word below 0 was there. Okay. Then temperature at lunchtime will be how much? By lunchtime the temperature rose by 21 degrees Celsius. So initially at sunrise it was -3 degrees Celsius. Then what happened? It rose by. So -3 was initially there, then plus 21 degrees Celsius. Okay. First it was -3 degrees Celsius, then plus 21 degree Celsius. So by the time of lunchtime, what it becomes? -3 plus 21. Once again I repeat, no need to write this degree Celsius. You can just write -3 and plus 21. So -3 plus 21 becomes plus 18 degree Celsius. No need to write this plus. Minus plus is minus, sign of greater number is plus. Okay, 18 degrees Celsius. So by the time of lunchtime, by the end of lunchtime, it was 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, then what happened? Then fell by 11 degrees Celsius. So then it's written over here, by night it fell by 11 degrees Celsius. Fell means what? I told you minus, right? So this will be now 18 degrees Celsius was there up till lunchtime, minus 11 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 18 minus 11, all of you. 8 minus 1 is 7, and 1 minus 1 0. It's 7 degree Celsius, all of you. That's it. So the current temperature is how much? 7 degree Celsius. It's compulsory always that for the word problems you have to write this answer in the statement form at the end. Therefore temperature at the end of the day is equal to 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, at the end in this box and also in this box, the degree Celsius here it's compulsory to write. If you don't write degree Celsius the units, your 1 mark will be deducted. This is just for the explanation in the rough work, please. No need to write this in examination, all of you. Okay, and the method of writing statements may differ from person to person, but writing of statements is important. It's not compulsory that you have to write the statements in this manner only. You can proceed in other ways also, but writing of statements is necessary because this is a word problem. Pause the video please and do it fast. Yeah, all of you. The last question please. Very important. Very important please, all of you. A submarine hovers at 310 meter below sea level. Hovers means it's just like submarines travels. Submarines fly in the sea. Submarines covers the distance or just travels or runs at 310 meter below the sea level. Okay, so if I say, all of you, this is the sea, and for example this is my submarine. Let's consider this is my submarine. Okay, a submarine hovers, runs or travels at 310 meter below the sea level Pay attention, this is my sea level. This is my sea level. Okay, this is my sea level. Submarine hovers at 310 meter below the sea level. That means current position of the submarine. Current position of the submarines is how much? 310 meters below. This word below is very important. Below the sea level. It descends. I gave you this in the note. Descends means in Hindi नीचे जाना. Going down means it relates minus sign. Its mass terminology is minus. Similarly, below ka mass terminology is also minus. It descends minus 180 degree. Okay, so that means this submarine went more down. Okay, it went more down. This was initial position, and now this is the final position. Okay, in going downwards, or I'll say this is position number 1. Sorry, I write position number 1. Here I write its position number 2. It went more down. If it descends 180 meter, more 180 meter, so then it comes more down by 180 meter. Okay, and then ascends. Ascends means in Hindi it goes up, ऊपर जा रही है, and then it went up, and then the submarine went up by how much? Then it went up, for example, this is the photo, I'm just depicting it with the diagram over here, by 275 meters. What is its new position? Now all the game over here is with the words below, descends and ascends. Below means minus sign, match terminology. Descends means minus, ascends means plus. Okay, once again, last time I'm explaining this, please pay attention. A submarine runs or hovers at 310 meter below the sea level. So first position is given as 310 meter below sea level. So what is the current position of the submarine? We will say current position of submarine is minus 310 meters because it's below the sea level. Okay, so here in the first part of the solution I'll write here current position. Okay, what is its new position, right? In initial position I'll write okay, I'll write initial position. Initial position of submarine will be how much? Minus 310 meters. Why minus? Why this minus? Because of this word below. Okay, if it descends 180 meter, okay, so leaving a line I'll write then it descends by 180 meter. So now what will be the position? Descends means going down, so descends means minus. Earlier it was how much? Minus 310 meter. Then it descends, comes more down, so its second position is going more down by 180 meter. So minus 180 because it goes more down. Okay, so minus will become plus. Sign of greater number will be minus. Minus plus. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 8 is 9, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's how much? Minus 490 meters. Minus 490 meters, all of you. Okay, so first it was initially at this position, second position is this. Then it ascends. Now it goes up. It ascends means plus. Match terminology is plus. Goes up by 275 meters. So now I'll write then it ascends, yes, by 275 meters. It ascends by 275 meters. So now at this point the position was here. It was how much? Minus 490, right? But because it ascends 275, it becomes plus 275, all of you. Okay, so now what will be the position? Minus plus will be minus. Minus plus will be minus. So 490 minus 275. Minus plus will be minus. Okay, from 9 I write it here 8 and becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, but plus minus is minus. Answer is 215. But sign of greater number, which is minus. So answer will be minus 215 meters. So then it ascends by 275 meter. Then the question ends. What is its new position? So can I say its new position is minus 215 meter? Okay. Now something important I want to say here over here. Okay. This was my first step. This was my second step. Please Okay, this is my third step, please. And the fourth and very important step over here, pay attention please, all of you. Therefore new position is equal minus 215 meter. Won't you feel it's very weird if you say someone that I'm standing minus 5 kilometers? Arey, why is this minus? What do you mean by minus? How can you measure something in minus? Students, this minus sign, what it indicates? This minus sign indicates that it means the submarine, it is below sea level. मतलब in Hindi नीचे है. Because see here, initially in the question also they gave you that submarine runs or hovers at 310 meter. So if 310 meter, where? Below sea level. मतलब नीचे. So that's why we used minus 310. Okay. So now there are two ways by which you can write the answer. Either you can write the new position is minus 215 meter. This is absolutely correct. Or the other way, how you can write the answer is, as new position is 215 meter below sea level. If you write just 215 meter, then it's compulsory to mention this below sea level, because the word below sea level indicates that it's minus 215. If you don't want to write this below sea level, then if you only write the new position is minus 215, then it's absolutely fine. So if you write minus 215 meter, it's absolutely correct. Or other way of writing is 215 meter, and you have to compulsory write below sea level. This below sea level indicates that it's minus, and distance cannot be negative. This minus over here indicates what? That it is below the sea level. Okay, all of you pause the video please. Amazing question and do it fast.